In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Phantom Wallet to Pump.Fun. Before you connect anything, make sure Phantom Wallet is already installed on your browser or mobile device. If you do not have it yet, install the Phantom extension or app first, then create a new wallet or import an existing one. During setup, you'll be given a secret recovery phrase. Make sure you back that up securely and keep it private. Never share it with anyone, and never enter it on a website. Phantom will not ask you to type that phrase into a decentralized app. It's also a good idea to make sure you have some SOL in your wallet before you begin. SOL is used to pay for transactions and network fees on Solana, so having a small balance ready will help you use the platform smoothly once your wallet is connected. When your wallet is ready, open your web browser and go to the official Pump.Fun website. Take a moment here to double check the web address before moving forward. This is an important habit because fake or phishing sites can look very similar to the real one. Making sure you're on the correct site helps protect your wallet and your funds. Once you're on the Pump.Fun homepage, look for the Connect Wallet button. In most cases, you'll find it in the upper right corner of the screen. Click that button, and a list of supported wallets should appear. From that list, choose Phantom. After you select it, the Phantom extension or app may open automatically. This is normal, and it's how the wallet asks for your permission before linking to the website. Now review the connection request carefully inside Phantom. Confirm that the website shown in the wallet matches the official Pump.Fun site you intended to open. If everything looks correct, click Connect. In some cases, you may also see a sign message request. If that appears, review it and approve it to continue. After you approve the connection, your wallet address should appear on Pump.Fun. That's the sign that your Phantom wallet is now connected successfully. Once connected, you can start using Pump.Fun to buy Solana-based tokens, sell supported tokens, create new tokens, check your connected wallet balance, and sign transactions directly through Phantom. Just remember that transactions usually require your approval in the wallet, so always review what you're signing before confirming. And that's how to connect Phantom Wallet to Pump.Fun quickly and safely.